Welcome back to the next part of our course, Introduction to Laravel PHP Framework. And in this part we're going to learn how we can install Laravel 8.0, and in doing so effectively we're going to follow it through step by step. And considering the first step, we want to make sure that we have Composer installed. And for us to do so, we head on to getcomposer.org/download website and download the latest version of Composer, which I've actually downloaded mine. So you download yours and run. So after installation, you check if Composer is installed by typing Composer on the CMD. And if it brings out dependencies like this, that shows that yes, you are ready to go. And from here you see I have Composer at 2.0.8, and if yours is higher than mine or is quite still accepted, so it's welcomed. And then the function of this Composer is to enable Laravel to function, because if Composer is not installed in your system, Laravel can't work. So Composer is quite a basic tool that you need, or a basic toolkit that is needed for you to run Laravel. Then the second part is for you to head on to any of the directories you want Laravel project to work. I myself, I prefer going on my XAMPP folder, htdocs, to creating my folder here, but I will not be creating a folder here. I'll be doing so directly from the CMD. So this is location where I want to run my Laravel project. So to do so, I head on to this directory, which is a htdocs directory on my CMD. Then I run Laravel new. Then the name of my project, I want to give it introduction Laravel. So I run this, so you can see Laravel as an icon here. So wait for it patiently to install Laravel in our dependency. So as you can see, I specified a new folder, introduction Laravel. So if you come here, you can see introduction-Laravel has been created. And from the control panel, you can see something is happening right now. So this is to tell you that Laravel is actually running right now. So it's getting installed on our project right now. So wait for it patiently. So I wouldn't want to pause this video. I want you to monitor the time it will take you to install Laravel. So I want to be patient. And another thing I want to chip in here before the installation comes to an end is that in this course we are focusing on installation of Laravel 8 points. So if you have latest version, you want to install old version, you can always make your research online to know how you can install the old version of Laravel, or that you can install the latest versions. Of course, when you run this syntax Laravel new, the folder name, it will check to know that is any latest version of Laravel. If there is, then it will install it based on the latest version. So you need an internet running on your system for this to work. Okay, so let's wait for it patiently. I think it's getting to and generating an optimized autoload file. So we're done with we're running for installation right now. So when we head on to our folder, our project folder here, you can see that we have so many folders that have been created for us and files created for us here. One of the folders that you might take notice of is composer.json and package.json. So let us test and see whether our project is up and running. For us to do so, first of all, we'll head on to the location of this project and our cmd. Then we run an artisan command, that is php artisan serve. So we just copy this address and head on to our browser to test our Laravel project. So this is just a demo interface of the home page. So well done. So we have actually successfully installed Laravel project. So the next part, we're going to see how we can build on it. But before we build on it, we want to see how the structure of this, what does the structure of this project, what does it all mean? App, bootstrap, config, database, and other files. What does all those things mean? So we're going to venture in that in the next part. So thank you very much for watching.